Kadikit siya nung isang linya na, isang favorite na line ko din sa show na kailangan mo magantay, kailangan mo maging patient because there are some things in life that are worth waiting for. So, huwag kang maiinip dahil darating din yung tamang tao para sa'yo sa tamang panahon.
It will make you trust in destiny and fate again. That there's really someone out there that's meant to be with you and that is just for you.
Just be patient and learn to love yourself. And then that's when you're able to love properly, diba?
Pinapaalala nito sa atin na meron pa rin talagang destiny, mga connection na ganyan. Di ba usually parang iniisip natin, oh parang hindi naman totoo. Ako guilty ako dyan eh. Minsan pag nanonood ako ng mga content, sinasabi ko, ay masyado namang too good to be true. But then, magkakaroon ka na experience sa buhay mo na, ay oh my gosh, nangyayari pala talaga. So ito yon, I feel na marami rin makaka-relate dito. Maraming kikiligin with Atom and Stella. And ang dami rin naming mga nilagay na twist. Para naman, syempre maganda rin yung may nanggugulo. So kami ni Sid yun. Pero overall, the show will make you feel good.
Pag nandyan talaga yung greatest love, yun talaga. Hahamakin niya lahat ng panahon, lahat ng problema. Darating din yung araw. At when everything is okay, makikita kayo.
Kailangan nagmamahal ka ng totoo at tapat.
Huwag kang matakot na umibig. And yun nga, kung mahal mo yung isang tao, family o yung tao niyon, ipaglalaban mo talaga yung hindi ka susuko.
Kung para sa'yo talaga ang isang tao, kahit anong gawin ng ibang tao, walang makakapigil nun.
Yung love kasi, person you love, pag kayo talaga, kumbaga what's meant for you will be yours. It will find its way to you. So yung pagmamahal, so kahit na maghihiwalay kayo, magbabalik at babalik kayo sa isa't isa.
Love will never stop you from wanting what you want, you know? It's a continuous thing na sa hirap man o sa ginhawa, tama, mali, gagawin mo in the name of love. Pero sana, gawin mo mabuti in the name of love.
True love always entails two sides of the coin. One side is love and the other side is sacrifice. You cannot love someone or something without sacrificing or being capable of sacrificing for the person that you love. So love and sacrifice is the side of the same coin.
Malakas yung love and forgiveness. Yung love for family. Yung responsibility mo bilang mabuting tao at mabuting anak, mas malaki yun kesa dun sa personal mong gusto. Kaya madalas nasa-sacrifice mo yung personal mong gusto para sa kapakanan ng mas minamahal mo.
The overall message of this show is the importance of love of the family, love of your partner, and the importance of giving chances to prove to a person na yung love na hindi mo na ibigay noon, na pwede mo pa palang ibigay ulit. Kasi ang love, hanggat buhay ka, pwede mong express, pwede mong ibigay hanggat buhay ka.